Gerber suspension, and with the sheath, 2 ways to carry it: belt sideways or like on the shoulder strap. It's got all the blades accessible. A little saw, a knife or knife. It locks too. That's just pretty cool. I like it. Oh, that thing is sharp. Sharp as crazy. Sawtooth blade, screwdriver, Phillips head. Somebody uses those for something. A fine saw, scissors, a smaller screwdriver, can opener, bottle opener. It's got a good grip to it. I can squeeze it pretty tight. I like it. Good spring. Suspension NXT, Gerber suspension.